Hello everyone, it is Aaron Flitto here, and I am doing a December reset. So this is going to be my normal December resets, my normal resetting process for the month. I'm also going to take a little look back at the year as a whole, and take a look at my annual pages and everything like that. But the bulk of this is going to be my December resets. In this month, I'm doing this a little early. As you can kind of tell from when this is getting released. I am doing this on December 22nd. So to be honest with you, some of this is not going to be quite done. I did fill out my level 10 life because I didn't think that there would be any significant changes between now and the end of the year. But for my goals, I did leave that area blank because honestly, some of my goals are very number oriented. So for me, it's kind of hard to kind of reflect on those goals when the month is not over. So I'll go ahead and do that separately off camera when the year ends, not just the month. One of the things that is really crazy is just the fact that this year went by so quickly for me. I don't know if anyone else has that feeling, but for me, it feels like the world just zoomed on by this year. So anyways, I am putting together the header. If you didn't see this theme, it is a Barbie wolf theme. Although I did lose my wolf stencil about halfway through the month. Actually, I lost it within the first week, I think, of the month, because I did not use that stencil the rest of the month, which is my bad because obviously this was meant to be an ode to my dog. If you didn't see it at the beginning of the year, I did a silhouette bear theme, and at the end of the year I did a silhouette wolf Barbie theme, and both were supposed to be kind of nods to my dogs. And yeah, so I lost the stencil, but to be fair, I think I did that for the bear one also, so it's not that big of a deal. She'll be fine. She doesn't even know that there is a bullet journal theme about her, so that's totally fine. So here I am doing my level 10 life. You can see my check-in on the left-hand side there for each of the categories. So we have goals, fun, work, family, health, business, finance, environment, and overall. So I'm just going through, comparing it to the last month. If it is a plus, that means the level went up. If it is a open circle, that means it stayed the same. And of course, a negative means it went down. Luckily, it only went down in one category. And to be honest, there are some categories that, if it could go up more, I would make it go up more. But I can't, because it is called a level 10 life. So, family, for example. It's been 10 for a while, but my family got to visit this month from Florida. My boyfriend became my fiance this month, so it's if it could go up more, it would go up more. But alas, it can't. And of course, this was the craziest way to end the year. So obviously, I mentioned we are engaged. We also went to a Rangers game where we saw a hat trick, which was absolutely nuts, by the way. We didn't have the best seats. I really skimped on like how much money we spent for that. And to be honest, just being in the environment is super cool, but we could barely see the ice, so it was not great, and we won't be doing that again. But honestly, we had a great time with my parents. Obviously, my parents visited. We had big family meetings between my family and his, and then we had our friend's wedding. So it was crazy a month. Okay, so it is the 22nd when I'm filming this. I can't imagine big changes in my level 10 life. I do want to wait, obviously, for the goals because some of these things have time. Develop a strength training routine, kind of, sort of. Work out 25 days. We'll see. 100% of 2024 filmed. That is 100% filmed. Very proud of it. Set up 2024 goals and action list pages. So I have not done that yet, but again, it is the 22nd of December, so I have time. And then I usually do this off camera, so this is just a little journaling area. As you can see, a little journaling here. I usually have a currently. I didn't feel like it. If I don't journal enough, maybe I'll add a currently right here, but I wasn't feeling it, so I didn't. So instead I did a big moment. So these are all the big things that happened this month. My partner and I got engaged. We went to a Rangers game. It was a crazy game. Very happy that they ended up winning, but it was a crazy game. We saw a hat trick. That was really cool. My parents visited. All of our families met. And then our friend's wedding was this month. So that is my December in review. I have a different video for my January migration where I kind of wanted to dive into it a little bit more since it's a different type of setup. Let's go ahead. Best of 2023. And I don't have our engagement photo on here, so that I'm going to have to... Maybe I'll do an entire page in this notebook too. I did do an entire page in my other notebook. So we have movies to watch. Didn't watch most of these, but these are just like some things that were going on. TV to watch, what was new. Honestly, of course, there was a whole issue with the writer's strike and stuff like that. So a lot of things just kind of fell by the wayside this year. We did watch Ted Lasso though. Then I have a pen test page. I haven't done the one from the December box yet. I'm trying to like look around to see if I can see it. Which I can't, but there is, there's a new tip size for that. I actually haven't swatched anything for that yet, so I will go ahead and do that here. We have my Kanban board. This kind of fell off halfway through the year. What I wanted in my next notebooks. My ideal day that I did. I think I did this. I don't think I did that on camera. So that was the first pages in there. And then my 2023 pages in my other notebook because I was swapping back and forth. This was January, February, March, etc., etc., etc. So I do have some 2023 pages in here. So I will go ahead and put our engagement here and the Rangers game. going through the rest, we have my future log. Of course, nothing really changes there. We have my 23 things in 2023. I did fill in going to the Rangers game, volunteering my time, dyeing my hair. So there was a bunch of things that I filled in over there. And then I didn't finish my medical reference page. I didn't do body statistics for the end of the year. And I did do my challenge of meditating for December. I didn't put it in my goals though. And then I'm starting to kind of go back and do all my finances for my business for the rest of the year. So, with all that said, that is looking into December, looking into the rest of the year. This notebook got so thick. These are my completed notebooks minus a week. In here, I probably won't be doing that much in my notebooks because I do have some time off for the end of the year. So very, very happy about that. But it is crazy. This year is coming to a close. 2023 went by like a freaking lightning bolt. But honestly, it was one of the best years ever. Part of that is from you guys. So thank you so much for being around my channel for this past year. And I will see you in 2024. Bye, everyone.